JV Nation! What's going on, everybody? My name is Jeremiah Vegan, and I am your host that does the most with dairy-free toast. I'm eating a complete cookie, dairy-free. Get your weight up. Vegan lifestyle, baby. Boom! Just kidding. Not really. Today, I'm going to talk to you guys about how to become a blogger for beginners. Okay, this video was inspired by a Facebook group that I'm in titled Blogger Promotions. Shout out to you guys. But I'm going to cover this and spread it throughout the universe of people who want to do this because I'm here to help you. If you guys aren't familiar with who I am, again, my name is Jeremiah Vegan. I'm a personal brand consultant. I specialize in video marketing and also content teaching people how to create income online and other entrepreneur related ventures, okay? So I kind of know what I'm talking about. All right. Now, for the last year, I was managing a client, and I was building his personal brand. And now I'm building my personal brand, and I'm teaching other people how to build their personal brand. So I love building personal brands for people, and I love showing people how to do it. And you're going to see, because I'm going to teach this. We're going to teach this. We're going to make this happen, okay? So we're going to talk about how to become a blogger for beginners, okay? The first thing that you want to do when you're creating a blog is find your niche. If you're not familiar with a blog, like I said, this is for beginners. Let me break down to you what a blog is. A blog, according to Google, is a website that is updated daily and is usually managed by one person or a small group of people, essentially, according to Google. My opinion, a blog is just where you post content, whether it's through video or whether it's through text. You're just blogging about a specific topic. That is what a blog is. The first thing that you want to do is you want to find what your niche is. It is niche or niche. A lot of people say niche. I say niche, 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 okay? Find your niche, which means basically find your topic. What do you want to cover? Do you want to cover lifestyle videos or a lifestyle blog? Do you want to have a camping blog? Do you want to have a sports blog? Do you want to have a cooking blog? Do you want to have the vegan blog? Do you want to have a gardening blog? Do you want to have a mechanic blog? Do you want to have a sewing blog? Do you want to have a construction, plumbing, whatever you want to talk about? Find your niche and make sure that you pick something that you're passionate about. Don't just pick something for the money, because although we're teaching you how to do business related stuff with your blog, because your blog is a business, once you think about it that way, you're going to start looking at it a different way. So it is a business, but you're not going to necessarily make money right away. So you need to find something that you enjoy doing. So that is very important. Now, people may say just go for it. If you want to go for it for the money, that's fine. But I don't recommend you do that from experience, because what's going to happen is if you do that in the beginning, you're going to get discouraged because the money isn't coming in quick enough. So you need to find something to prevent that from happening. You need to find something to prevent you, to kind of decrease the chances of you quitting, because it can be very easy. It can be very easy to quit because people, human in regular society, we are conditioned to, we're conditioned to one way of thinking for the most part, because we're not really taught this in school. We're taught to work for other people, and we want that instant gratification. So you need to pick something that you're passionate about, okay? Now, I don't want to dwell on that too much. I'm going to talk about other videos, but that's very important, to find your niche and find something that you're passionate about within that niche. The next thing you want to do is find a platform that you're going to use, okay? Right. What platform do you want to do your blogs on? You know, you want to create your own website? There's platforms that you can create a blog for. You don't have to be a wizard with websites, okay? You don't have to know about HTML coding and all that. You don't have to be a programmer to create a blog. So what platform do you want to do your blog on? Do you want to do a video blog, which I'm going to talk about what a video blog is? Or you want to do a written blog where you just type stuff? and write if you want to be a writer, or you want to do both. You need to figure out what kind of platform are you going to be on. Most people use WordPress and Blogger as far as written blogs, okay? Now, the next one is going to be, what kind of blog are you going to be? Now, this is what I kind of touched about in the last point. What kind of blog are you? Are you a video blog, which is essentially someone that does videos primarily? YouTube is a video blog slash search engine. So are you going to be a YouTuber? Because if you're a YouTuber, you're a video blogger, in my opinion. Are you going to be a Facebooker? Because if you are, you're a Facebook blogger, in my opinion. Or you want to do what a lot of people do, is be a writer. A lot of times when we Google something, we type in, for example, what is causing back pain? What is a nose? What is the definition of a backbone? What is a cannon? What is concrete? What is how many stars are in the sky? You know, that's what we ask Google, and a lot of times what happens is, or any other search engine, a lot of times what happens is a blog comes up. A blog is a blog comes up because people are interested in that specific niche, and people find it, and if they're popping up first in the search engines, they're getting a lot of traffic if that's a popular niche, okay? 9 times out of 10, they're getting a good amount of traffic, which also leads to different streams of revenue, which we can talk about in another video. But that is a way that you create income with your blog, and that is why it's important to figure out what kind of blog you are going to be. The next thing we're going to talk about is pre-posting. Now, when I say, when people try to figure out how are they going to manage their time and how to figure out how are they going to post content while they're doing stuff, a lot of people have personal lives outside of the internet, right? So they might have to work, or they might have children, or they might have things that they need to take care of, a parent that they need to take care of, they're babysitting, whatever the case may be. And they may say, well, I don't have enough time to blog, but I really want to blog. This is what you do. I put myself in what I refer to as the preparation chamber. Okay, and essentially what the preparation chamber is, you're already pre-writing your content, pre-doing your content. For example, back in November of 2017, we're in 2018 now, it's January. I told myself that I was going to launch my personal brand officially on January 1st. And I'm going to post a video every single day until this whole year is up. That's what I decided I wanted to do. How did I plan on doing that? Because I'm a full-time entrepreneur. I said whenever I have time, I'm going to do videos. And I'm going to do videos whenever I have a chance. And I'm going to make it into like an episode. I'm going to make it into like a television show where I'm going to shoot a certain amount of videos. And before I release them, I'm going to set them to private. So what I did was I did videos on different topics in my niche. And then instead of uploading them to public, which most people do, I title them, put the thumbnail on, do the video SEO, and I set them to private until I had about 30 videos. To this day, I have 30 videos that are releasing every single day because YouTube has this feature where you can schedule your videos to release. Okay? So what I did was I scheduled them for the next 30 days in January for a video to drop every single day. And what that does is that tells Google or search engines that, okay, this person got content. This person has some content, especially if you're getting a lot of watch time. People like that. Okay, search engines like that. That's what they want. So they're going to promote your content more because you're consistent and you have good content. If people like it, if people are engaging in it, if it's a video, okay, or even if it's a written blog, if people are engaging in it, then you're going to go up in the rankings. So if you don't have enough time to blog every day, which I highly recommend that you blog every day, you need to pre-do your content. So for written blogs, for written articles, you're going to do 10 to 20 articles before you even set yourself to be public. You're going to do it consistently. That's important because if people say if one person see your article, right, and they like it, and they go back to the next day, you don't got no articles, or they come back next week, you don't got no articles, because it's hard writing sometimes because we have writer's block, we have all of these things that happen to us. So write your content before you actually release it, and then that way you got content to always post. And while you're posting that content that you already did, you're going to be doing videos while you're releasing that content. So you're never going to fall behind. You're always going to be ahead because you already got 20 videos. Like I got like 20 videos left this month. So I'm doing this video right now so I can either release a video on top of the videos that I got coming out, or I can wait till all of the videos that I've did are done being released and I just send you guys a new batch of videos. So I'm already 20 videos ahead. You see what I'm saying? So it's very important to put yourself in the preparation chamber. Very, very important. And it's very, 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 very important to be consistent. And that goes with anything, not just with business, anything. If you want to achieve something, you need to be consistent and you can't be discouraged. Okay? Excuse that rant. But I need to say that because it's important. Live from the webcam. Can I get a hell yeah? Make sure you guys engage. Let me know what you think. Go in the comments. Tell me what your blog is going to be about. I'll respond to you. And if you have a great question, I'm going to make a video about your question. And I'm going to shout you out. And if you got some good content you want me to check out, let me know. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell because I do a video every single day. You can't stop me. And I'm going to do a series on this. So if you're interested in blogging, I'm going to do a series on blogging. And I dare you to say that you ain't getting no content. I dare you. I'm going to make you rich. I'm going to make you rich. Why you still watching me? Go to another video or something. You rude. You just going to stare at me? You just going to stare? I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Because I'm tired of y'all. I'm just tired of y'all. Look.